Okay, today we're going into what I call Consumer Protection 101, and we're going to talk about false, misleading, and deceptive packaging. What are we talking about really? Let me give you a couple of examples. You go into the store, maybe at the airport, just about any place, and you find a load of products that are snacks. That's good. You're hungry. Why not grab a couple of snacks? So you take a look at some of them. Let's see. You've got one here, you've got one here. That looks pretty good. Both of them do, so you buy both of them. Now, what's the first thing you see? You see the package. Now, you know what that package is called? That's called the silent salesperson, because it's telling you something, and it's telling you something by its size. Hey, look at my size. And you look at it and you figure, all right, I'm going to get a decent amount of product there, probably up to here. Up to here. The thing is, you know it's not going to be crammed full. That's unrealistic. But you buy it. Anyway, what we're going to do today is we're going to take these products and we're going to deconstruct the package. Now, deconstructing is a term that means we're going to take it apart and we're going to see exactly how much product you're getting, as opposed to what is called slack fill. You know it better as dead air. All right? And the way we're going to do this is the same way that is done by district attorneys all over the country and attorneys who file class actions against companies that put out false, misleading, and deceptive advertising. Now, how do we start by doing this? The first thing we're going to do, we need to measure these packages. So we're going to do just that. Okay, now that we've done that, let me tell you what we've got. The package on your right, 7¼ inches high. On your left, 7½ inches high. Now, it's not really important how wide they are or what the thickness is, because we're looking to find out what percentage of the available space is taken up by the product. But let me point out one very important thing here. Both of these packages have what are called gusset bottoms. You can see what a gusset bottom is, and I hope that this shows up well enough for you. It's basically an indentation that allows the package to stand up like that. Now, the question is, does that gusset bottom help the product? Does it help you? Or does it help the retailer? Well, the fact of the matter is it basically helps the retailer because it allows the package to stand up, showing you how big it is and how much more space it takes, equates to how visible it is to consumers. Now, the next thing we're going to do is open the package up carefully, and we're going to do that with a razor blade and a little bit of cutting, and then I'll show you what happens. Okay, we did a little bit of nip and tuck here, and let me show you what I found when I used my ruler. First, we looked at the amount of available space for product. That means we deducted this portion because that's not available space. That has a resealing area right there. And we deducted a little bit for the gusset bottom. We calculated out that there was 6 inches of available space for the product. Then what we did is we measured how much of the space was actually filled by the product. And the way we did that was take our ruler here, go down to the point where the gusset doesn't let it go any further, and what do we have? We have actually 2 3/4 inches. Yes, I was using the metric side of that. So let's reboot, and I will tell you to the top of the product, again, looks like really closer to 2 1/2, but we're going to give it 2 3/4. Now the next thing is we're going to go to Google and we're going to get a percentage calculator to figure out what percentage of the available space, which is, remember, 6 inches, is actually taken up by product, which is, let's say, 2 3/4 inches. Like the Terminator said, you won't know it because I'm going to put these two segments together, but I'll be back.